What up everybody? Mr. Silva here with another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to do a product research and find a good selling decal so you can make some money. I'm going to do the research on Ebay.com platform using its new feature called Terapeak Product Research. If it's your first time here on my channel, I make videos every week about how to make money with vinyl decals. So wait no more and hit the subscribe button below. Okay, so let's get started. I'm here on my Ebay.com seller dashboard, and now they have this new feature here that says research. So when you hit this link, it takes you to this research section, and it's pretty simple. You just have to input your search terms, and it gives you a bunch of options here, like if you want any only new items, used, refurbished, if you want fixed price, auctions. So but we don't have to worry about it. We just have to worry about the search terms we use. So in this case, we're gonna try to find good selling decals, and we can try with some let's say Avengers. Decals. Okay, and then we hit enter, and we can see here there's a list of all the decals according to your search term that have been sold during this period. You can see here is from July 24th to August 22nd. So you can see here all the listing and prices and total units sold, the total sales for this specific listing. And we're gonna try to find a good one. Look at this one, 51 units sold, and it's pretty simple. Let me see. You see here, this guy has sold 2,865 units of this decal, and it's a good looking listing. This seller work a little bit on this listing and make it really good, really attractive. Let's say description. Yeah, looks good, but it doesn't mean you can try this one also. You can try to sell this same design. Okay, let's look another one. I'm trying to find only one color decal, because that's pretty simple. Let's look at this one. All right, this guy has 46 units sold, and the listing is, looks nice. It's not bad, showing many different pictures, and it has so many colors available. Also many sizes available. That's good. The more sizes and the more colors you offer, the better. Let me see the description. Oh yeah, it's not bad. Okay, so let's try another one. This guy, Avengers logo. Okay, wow, this guy is 377 units sold. The price is not good. I guess if it's a different size, like 6 inches at least, yeah, $5.99. It's good enough. So this could be a good selling decal also. And different colors. It have the instruction how to install it. That's important. And description. Description looks good also. So let's try to find another search terms for the decals we're trying to find. Let's say a very popular one, Pitbull decals for dog lovers. Okay, so we have this one, 11 units sold. 10. It's not so popular right now. Okay, so let's try another one. Let's try another term here. Let's say Wonder Woman. Okay, it's loading. Okay, we have here this one. Okay, this one is 67 units sold. Okay, price, let's see, 6 inches at least, and black, $6. Yes, that's a good price. And this has different colors. You can customize the font, I think, also. Oh, pretty good. It looks good for me. But as I mentioned before, doesn't mean you can compete with this guy. Okay, let's look another one. This one, 25 units sold. So this is up-to-date data. This feature for research the products is not telling you, it's not making up data. It is telling you real data, and that's good, because you can find many tools on the internet that says, oh, this is selling so good, this keyword is working so good, but it's not true, because they're not pulling like the real data. And this is the real deal. So July 24th to August 22nd. Yeah. So, and also here you can filter your search, as I mentioned before. And if you want the search in the last 7 days, not the last 30 days. If you want to know what's the sell the whole year, you can do it also. You see these guys, 252 units in the whole year. 30 days. You can filter by fixed price, best offer, auction, whatever you need. So guys, I really recommend this tool for you, and it's an easy way to do your research, and you're gonna get valuable data, real data. Yeah, you're not getting BS right here. So alright guys, this is it for today, and I hope you liked the video. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. If you want me to make a specific decal video, let me know in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go ahead and do it now. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.